Hello my friends, this is my channel, and in this video I want to show how to splice two ropes together. Maybe a lot of people want to do something, but I have two sides of the ropes. I need one spike. The spike is looking like that, little is, and need to splice together. Why I take the two ropes different color? To see much easy the ways how to splice. We're doing after one. See, now it's closed. I put like that the ropes. Take one hand. To learn easy, just and put the spikes on side, and after one. Take another one. And again. I take special two colors different about rope to see the splice right and nice. First thing should be like that, and every second if you see right, you can learn quick. Maybe some people can learn quick, maybe some people can need try many times. You see, it's looking nice. And second side. We after one put inside, and no need to mix it. I learned to splice in 2007 on my shirt. In next video I will show how to tie the boot and right to make bowling knot. I will show that in next video. You see, nice. Can pull the car, tractor, boot, everything. We use that and crabber to catch whelks, lobster. You like that? Watch many times this video and learn. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the like. Thank you. Bye. And watch next video about many knots.